Kevin Solomon is a great guitarist. Videos of Kevin Solomon on YouTube channel also. So you can check him out. He's played a song called Sweet Child of Mine, and he's played the lead guitar on that. So he's a really good budding guitarist.
Today we have with us a young, talented budding guitarist from Thane, Master Kevin Solomon.
At what age did you start playing guitar?
It's been a while, about 8 years. I started with playing violin, but then I slowly lost interest in it, so I picked up onto guitar.
Who are your trainers and guide in this field?
I've had a lot of trainers, but I guess the biggest trainer has been me. I guess I would say I'm 80% self-taught. I've watched people and learned guitar. I've learned guitar from the internet and, you know, just fidgeting with the guitar to figure out stuff.
Who is
Haven't had
your
a proper mentor.
who is your inspiration?
I have a lot of inspirations, all the way from the guitarists from 1980s to some of the newer guitarists. If you had to name some, I would say Tim Henson and James Hetfield, and a lot.
How did you manage to stay fit and healthy in the lockdown period?
Um, like, I basically avoided going out, and even if I did, I came home and sanitized and washed my hands and took all the precautions and, the basic things.
Apart from guitar, what are the other music or social activities you do?
I like to do a lot of things. I like to learn about some topics of physics. I like to watch football, sports, and if that makes me sound like a nerd, I even like to play video games.
What challenges did you come across in getting to where you are today?
I don't think I have achieved much as you, um, you know, but there were some times where I was like, should I play guitar? Do I need to continue? Like, who cares? But then I was like, I'm interested in it. I'm passionate about it. I need to keep practicing.
What was your happiest moment in the relation to playing guitar?
It has to be the time when I played my first concert. It was a very different feeling. I never experienced that feeling ever. So when I got onto stage, I was like, this is what I want to do.
In case you don't perform well, how do you overcome that feeling?
You sometimes mess up. It's okay to mess up, and that's how you learn. So it's not a big deal.
Do you think attitude is important in playing music?
And yeah. Attitude is important for everything. I think you need to have confidence in yourself and believe in yourself. Unless you believe in yourself, you can't achieve anything great.
What are your goals in for upcoming years?
I want to start writing my own music and perform it in front of people. I want to spread my music, basically.
What is your qualification?
My academic qualification is that I just passed my 12th. I'm about to take admission into engineering. And if you're talking musically, music-wise, I don't have any formal education. I just, an amateur guitarist that learned on his own.
How do you manage your studies and music?
I try to give time to both of those, but obviously I'm more interested in guitar, so I tend to give a lot of time to that. And as of now, there is no studies. I am on a break, so I can totally focus on guitar and improve.
What are your future plans?
As I said, I want to start making my own music. I want to build an audience and perform for them, spread good music, do stuff, the good stuff.
What are your expectations?
What am I?
What are your expectations?
I don't expect much. I'm happy doing what I am. It's not that I want a Mercedes or a private jet or anything. I want to keep doing music and I'll be happy in that.
Anything else you would like to share?
Yeah, there was this one time, you know, someone told me that I want to start playing guitar, and the person wanted to play guitar because he wanted to, you know, impress his friends and appear to be a bit more talented than others. But the reason I started playing guitar was because I was genuinely interested in music, and you know, you sometimes think that you're useless and you don't have a point of existence. But for me, it's like guitar. I know that I'm different. I know if anyone tells me that I'm useless or I don't matter, I know that I have something unique in me and I have a talent that not many.
It was nice talking to you. I'm sure viewers will also enjoy, and my best wishes to you. May your dream fulfill. and also wish you a bright future. Thanks.